Assalam Allaikkum. Hope everyone is doing good. I am also fine here. Today at Ta's Passion I am going to prepare a kids special recipe. Fried chicken or roasted chicken. Let's look at the ingredients, how to prepare this. I have taken 500 grams of chicken pieces. First we have to soak this chicken pieces in the salt water. I have cleaned this chicken already. So let's get started. Let's make a salt water first. And let's soak these chicken pieces into this and keep in the fridge for half an hour. Soaking in this salt water makes this chicken very soft inside. After half an hour, let us drain this chicken. Second step is marination. For this marination, I am taking 2 eggs and half cup of milk. And you can use half tablespoon or 1 tablespoon of pepper. And let's mix this thoroughly. If you like more spicy, you can add chilli powder also. As my kids don't like spicy, I am using 1 tablespoon of pepper powder. Now batter is ready. Let us marinate the chicken pieces in this and keep it for 40 to 60 minutes. Third step is coating. For this coating, I am taking 1 cup of maida, half cup of breadcrumbs, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon of white pepper powder, half teaspoon of chilli powder, paprika powder half teaspoon, enough salt, and I am using 1/4 teaspoon of Chinese salt also. You can use tandoori masala also for this. Half teaspoon of ginger garlic powder. Now let's mix this thoroughly. One more ingredient I forgot to add for this, that is cornflour. So let's add 1 tablespoon of cornflour into this and mix it. Now let us coat the chicken pieces in this mix. And keep it aside. Continue the same process. Better to use the left hand so the mix will not get spoiled. Coating is done. You can fry this now itself, but I like to do 2 coatings. So dip the chicken in the same batter and coat it once more. By doing 2 coatings, the chicken will be more crispiness. So continue the same process with other chicken pieces. Our coating is done. Let us deep fry these pieces. The oil should be not too hot. Let it be in the medium flame. If it is too hot, the chicken pieces will get burnt. Once the chicken comes up, let us flip it to the other side and keep this close and cook for 10 minutes in the medium flame. and check whether it is cooked all the sides or not. If it is not, give another 2 to 3 minutes. Our fried chicken is ready. Let's check how it tastes. Hope you like this video. Please give it a try and let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and share with your dear ones. Thanks for watching.